In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this OPPO. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Then click on password and security. Now you need to tap on privacy password and tap on one of those options, numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. If you want to change your mind, just click on use a different password type and pick one of those types, like pattern. Now finally, you can create your login method that you will use to lock and unlock your apps. You need to create it over here. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. Now click on Set Recovery Email and type it in. Then choose Confirm. You need to also answer this security question. If you don't like it, click on it, tap on one of those, or if you don't like any of them, just tap on Custom Question and create your own. Remember to answer it correctly below. And when you're ready, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. Over here, select App Lock at the bottom. Click on Got It. And tap on this switcher next to App Lock feature in order to enable it. Then click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock. In my case, Chrome. So now when I try to access it, I can see that pattern is now required. If you want to disable app lock from one of your apps, go into the same settings and tap on the same now blue switcher. If you want to disable app lock completely, click on this switcher next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!